Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நீங்களுக்கு சுகமானோ? आप कैसे हो? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Hey guys, I'll tell you how to get free gift plus free trial products on Smytten. As you see in the picture, you have to click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box. You get the app from the store. Click on sign up as shown in the picture. You have to fill all these details, your phone number, your gender, birth date, and coming to referral code, you see here carefully and enter the referral code. Otherwise, I'll provide the code in the description box. You can check out, you can copy from there and paste over here. So I'll tell the referral code now. It is small r, capital P, capital A, capital E, capital P, capital B, 0. Now if you enter the correct referral code, you'll see here referral code verified as shown in the picture. Then click on send OTP. After that, this is the home screen that appears. Here you see 6 trial points. That means you can get 6 trial products. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, the 6 trial points that you have got will be for lifetime validity. They will not expire. And not only trial products, you can also get free gift and you can choose the free gift as well. Now you can go for try now. Otherwise, you can click on trials as shown in the picture. Now click on try now to see the trial products that you have got. See here you have got 949 trial products. You can scroll down and see different variety of products. Otherwise, you can use filters and sort if you want the products with 1 trial point or 2 trial points as you wish. Now click on try now to add the products to the cart. Once you add the product to the cart, it will tell you the cashback details and the trial products that you got to add to cart still. And not only that, the free gift details as shown in the picture. Now add all the trial products to the cart and go to cart as shown in the picture. Here you can see a coupon being auto-applied. You click on got it, thanks. You see here free gift worth 255 rupees. You have 5 gift options. You can click on view all and select whatever the free gift you want. From there, click on proceed. Here you can see all your order details and the free gift worth you're getting. Here I'm getting 548 rupees worth free gift. And not only that, the cashback details also are given. The wallet cash, I'll be getting 199 rupees. That means 100% cashback. Now you can add your address, click on proceed to payment. That's it, done. Your order is placed. Recently, I have placed an order on trial products. I've got trial products plus free gift plus 100% cashback I've got. So you can check out free trial products that I have ordered plus free gift I've got. I have put the prices as well so that you can know how beneficial to go for smytten products, right? after watching you also want to try the smytten products, you can go for it happily without any regrets. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Flying Skies 1 for more videos and offers. Do encourage with a subscribe and a like. Thank you all. Have a good day. Keep smiling.